Justice Ukumbi, that's what we call them, so that people can be able to sit on a round table by the fire the way we used to do before, and they find out the root cause of the problem and they try to address the problem. Because we want justice to be a lived experience, not an abstract one which you chase in the courts for years on end. It must be available when you need it and immediately. We are so learned, we have all the wisdom of the Solomon, but if the other agencies are not working properly, they will affect us, isn't it? So we must move together, we must empower each other, we must look at where the challenges are, and we must address those challenges and look for solutions. Replicate what happened in Nakuru. This was a church-run initiative to have peace in our communities. And they gave us many, many examples of the cases that have been settled in that dispute resolution center in Nakuru. And I'm working very hard to make sure that in every county we have court annex mediation. In every court station we have a court annex mediation. We have alternative justice ukumbi, that's what we call them, so that people can be able to sit on a round table by the fire the way we used to do before, and they find out the root cause of the problem and they try to address the problem. Because we want justice to be a lived experience, not an abstract one which you chase in the courts for years on end. It must be available when you need it and immediately. Wherever you are working, wherever your churches are, wherever your ministries are, if you can second pastors in our court stations so that they can give spiritual nourishment to the people who work in the judiciary and carry a lot of burdens, and also help with these mediations and AJS, we would appreciate as the judiciary.
Judiciary has started a court annexed mediation center in Nakuru, and we have asked that based on this pilot, that this model with improvement can be spread all over the country, in all the counties and in all the areas where the judiciary has a court system. Number two, we have also agreed that it is important to see that the church itself creates alternative justice systems, so that some of the disputes that are among our members, our clergy and our bishops and our learned friends can be able to help us within the church to resolve these issues, so that only a few cases go all the way to the court. Number three, we have agreed that because there has been a backlog of more than 600,000 cases, that all those cases above 5 years, that we report them to the office of the Chief Justice so that they can be taken up and resolved quickly, because we all believe that justice